Sangeeta was also selected as a top 10 finalist in Miss Shillong 2026 and proud winner in Northeast Meghalaya, featured in the DY365 calendar 2026. With her passion for dance and performance, she continues to inspire and entertain audiences. Let's give it up for Sangeeta Thapa! And to felicitate her, I would like to call Ms. Manju Sharma to lead the meeting. We'd like to hear a few words from you, Sangeeta.
Hey everyone, my name is Sangeeta Thapa. I am Miss International Global Culture 2025 and Miss Northeast DY365 2026. I'm currently pursuing my second semester. I am truly grateful that Ram Foundation has invited me in the beautiful occasion of Mahashivratri. This event is not just an event, it is a spiritually, and for all, everyone, whoever is here, to represent themselves in this program. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta.